Good morning, students. So in last video, we saw that the story of Sinbad the Sailor, and the story was revolving around Sinbad and his first voyage, means first travel to the sea. And in that, we have seen that lastly, all men were immediately in order to move away from the monster. The island which all men on the ship were thinking that is the island, but that was not island at all. That was a huge monster, huge sea monster. So in this video we are going to see what happened to them. Okay, you can see in this picture the green color and in that green color some people are running here and there because the monster is plunged deep into the sea. उस मॉन्स्टर ने सी के अंदर एक बड़ी सी जंप लगा दी है और सारे जो इंसान है वो यहाँ वहाँ भाग रहे हैं। ओके, अपनी जान बचाते हुए, और शिप भी थोड़ी दूर है उस monsters say. Okay, so what happened to them and what happened to Sinbad? Did he survive? Did he come back? Okay, so we are going to see in this video. The sea monster plunged deep into the sea means वो जोर से उसने सी के अंदर छलांग मारी. Many of the people managed to climb abroad to the ship. Abroad the ship means बहुत लोगों ने मैनेज किया कैसे तो भी क्लाइंब करते चढ़ते चढ़ते उस शिप के ऊपर चले गए. बट मैनी सैंक इन टू दी सी विद द सो कॉल्ड आइलैंड मीन्स मैनी ऑफ देम वेयर सैंक इन टू दी सी with the monster, with that so called island that was the monster. They sank. Okay, uh, Sinbad alone did not drown in the sea, but he could not reach the ship. Okay, Sinbad did not drown into the sea. In the sea means Sinbad डूबा नहीं था, but वो शिप तक भी नहीं पहुंचा था. He saw it sailing far and far away. He was now at the mercy of the waves. Okay, means the Sinbad was at the mercy of the waves. Means waves are giving mercy to the to Sinbad if Sinbad, and that's why Sinbad was surviving. Means वो डूबा भी नहीं था लेकिन वो शिप तक भी नहीं पहुंचा था. वो दूर से उसको sailing he was seeing that sailing far away. That ship was sailing far away. उस शिप से सिंबाद बहुत दूर था. You can see in this picture. And वो लहरों की दया पे था. अगर लहरें जोर जोर से बहने लगती तो वो सरवाइव नहीं कर पाता. ओके, being tossed up here and there, he clung to piece of wood and somehow managed to keep afloat. He spent night alone at the sea. He spent his all night in that sea. When the next day morning, Sinbad was happy to see that he had floated near an island, a real big island. This time that was not any monster, that was real island. Okay, he could see hills and woods and trees at a distance, though he was extremely tired. Okay, he can see the island, the real island, the trees and the mountains and the hills. Okay, but he was so tired. Spending a whole night in a sea is very tough work for him, and that's why he was so tired. He swam to the shore with all the strength that could he muster. Um, means all the strength that could he muster, all the strength that could he use at that time. He have managed to swim up to the island, up to the shore of that island. Exhausted and hungry, he lay on the sand for some time, and then again he made an effort and began to walk inland towards the shady fruit trees that he could see at a distance. मीन्स वो किसी तरह से उस सी शोर पे, मीन्स आइलैंड का जो सी शोर था, किनारा था, उस पे पहुंच गया किसी तरह से. अपना पूरी स्ट्रेंथ को मैनेज करते हुए, मस्टर करते हुए, जमा करते हुए, और सैंड पे कुछ देर ऐसे ही पड़ा रहा. देन he saw a mango tree, means a shady fruit tree, and at a distance, and he go walk inland towards the shady tree that he could see at the distance, means उस tree के पास वो चला गया. Luckily this was the time when the king of the island sent his horses to the seashore with the grooms. Okay, so that time, when Sinbad saw that tree and went towards the tree, that time was the same time this of the king of that island to send his horses to the seashore with the grooms. Grooms are the persons who take care of the horses. The king has sent the horses with the grooms, means the charge of the grooms, means they are the, we can say in Hindi, they are सैनिक. Okay, उन सैनिकों को किंग ने भेजा था राउंड के लिए. अब वो आइलैंड का जो कोई भी किंग था वो एक बार राउंड के लिए भेजता था उन ग्रूम्स को हॉर्सेस के साथ. The grooms saw the Sinbad and gave him food and drink. The grooms saw the Sinbad and gave him food and drink. So, luckily, means you can see here, Sinbad is so lucky. He survived from the monster. He survived his whole night. In that, he spent his whole night alone at the sea. After that, he somehow managed to see the island, and then he mustered his all strength and went to the shore of this island, and after that went to that shady tree, fruit full of fruits, that shady tree, and after that groom saw him and gave him food and drink. Then they took him to the king. Okay, in the next video we are going to see what happened to Sinbad after going to the king's palace. Okay, today there is no homework, only you have to see this video.